starting with now one of our improv teams. This is one of the big house teams at Florida Studio Theater and performed last year at the Sarasota International Improv Festival. This group works long-form narrative in the style and language and feel of Elizabethan and the bard William Shakespeare. So without further ado, here is Come What Will.
Lords and ladies, we are Come What Will, a troupe of strolling players here to present to you for the first and last time only a playlet in the style of William Shakespeare. All we are lacking is the name of this adventure you will see tonight. So on the count of three, wouldst thou please us and call out your suggestion of a title of a play that Shakespeare has not written. 1, 2, 3.
Flush the toilet!
Flush the toilet! Lords, and especially you, gentle lady, we give thee flush the toilet.
Oh, how the days do go, and I do love working at Lowe's.
Good my lady, wouldst thou help me, for I have, my wife did send me for a task. Oh, this task is bringing me so much woe.
Good sir, stop speaking of things, for I be placing all of the O-rings.
Forgive me, I do not know that you work for your schedule, and I, as the customer, have all the time in the world.
Fine, I do accept thy plight, for I did steer the customer. Be always right. Please tell me, sir, what be thy problem?
Like I said, my wife did send me on a quest to fix, oh God, I don't know. See this part? Show me where it goes!
Good sir, I think that thou art out of luck, for this be the only part that I be stuck upon. I know not what it is. I do tell that it goes with the porcelain throne, for it hath a little bit of matter on it. But I know not. Thou art going to have to talk to mine own manager. Oh no. I do hear him stomping up. Hello.
That'd be an authority figure if I have ever seen one.
By the steps.
And by the smock, if the smock fits.
Good sir, this gentleman with this flaxen hair, this gentleman with these eyes of blue and lips like dead worms, this man has a problem that I canst not fix, for I be a lowly CSR, which doth stand for a customer service representative.
It helps to spin it upon thy finger for a second.
Clearly thou art the manager, thou knows what I need. Please send me home on my way, for my wife will beat me if I am not on time in the right part.
Woe unto us that Lowe's be the conduit to preventing domestic abuse. Oh, so. Sir, I believe this is a problem that I must take and solve on my leisure time. You are going to have to live here in the Lowe's.
No!
Yes, you're going to have to live here in the Lowe's while I research this, talk to my compadres, and also maybe sing a little about it. And then you will come back upon the morrow.
I suppose this would be a nice escape from my wife at home, but this is not the life I chose. Oh, this Lowe's life will not be the Lowe for me. I should have gone to Home Depot. Oh, woe is me!
See me tomorrow.
this be the longest wait that I have ever had. Here at the department store called Lowe's, I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for said manager to come back with an answer to my issue. Hey, what?
Didst thou say thou wert lost in Lowe's?
Sirrah, verily, I have been lost in Lowe's beyond hour. Sirrah,
An hour you say, for I have been stuck in this Lowe's for 15 years plus. I did come to get a piece for my wife, and I was stuck and trapped in this Lowe's seemingly for life.
15 years, Sirrah! No!
Dost thou see my big beard? Dost thou see how my spine doth twist? Oh, for I was limber once, and now I am merely this little gimp.
Sirrah, canst thou not see a hope? Canst thou not see that thou hast put thine very own hands in that? Sirrah,
Help me, I shall escape.
escape, we shall. What didst thou say thy name was?
I did not give it yet. I am afraid to whisper it through these walls, but I shall say it now.
Yes.
My name be Ronaldo.
Ronaldo!
That be my name, and I have been trapped for 15 years.
Ronaldo, I shall help thee, for I shall be thy dear friend now, and thou canst call me Geronimo.
Geronimo, thank thee, friend. We must devise a plan and devise it quick, for the manager's footsteps I hear approaching quick.
No!
What be the noise I hear upon my lows? I hear rumblings in flooring. I hear whispers in carpeting, also flooring. I hear grumbles in appliances. I hear cries coming from the paint department. Ouch! Oh boy, something is afoot in this Lowe's. A paw, perhaps. Well, 'tis a sad Lowe's, though, when I come to think of it. My kingdom be just a pile of concrete not yet mixed, of boards not yet nailed, and things not yet created. It is but a dream of an idea. Helen,
Good sir, it is time for the weekly motivational meeting. I
Thank
got my notes.
thank you, Pippin.
I be here too, for it be the time span to meet here under the ceiling fans.
Yeah.
Yes, Pippin, Penelope, and you, Peter Pan.
What dost thou say? What is thy wisdom for retail? Please impart. How dost thou sell thy wares?
The customer is never right. Snark and sarcasm will get you far. Never apologize. Price matching, no. And we don't say the forbidden words.
Thank you!
Home
Depot!
Yes. No. But look, this kingdom of ours has been infiltrated by people who are unhappy. They're unhappily trapped in our walls. And it is your task to rid them out.
Beep, beep, back up the truck, good man.
Pallet trap.
I have a question.
Always with the questions, Penelope.
I have kept them in on purpose, for I do see them running around like a labyrinth, and they be on a plinth, and I do close the doors, and I say, you can't get out anymore. Be not that what we were supposed to do?
You're right, my brain has gone foggy from sniffing too much wood glue. Fine. Find them and bring them to us. Bring them to me. Bring them to the next positivity training. And therein, we will solve this. And then we will go back to providing one-star service.
Geronimo, I think these disguises to escape will work, for we look like the most normal customers.
That's right.
They would not know that it were me, for I have dressed fully in these dungarees, like people on the outside world dress, correct? I have been in here for years. How do people dress now?
Oh my gosh! Ronaldo, it is amazing how people dress. Some people dress with t-shirts. Some people wear a whole suit. Some people wear jackets in the middle of winter in Florida. Oh, it's terrible.
But Geronimo, what can we put together to resemble those clothings in a Lowe's? What section do we need to go to put on that disguise?
I know. Let's go to women's wear.
Oh, I am the ladder climber. I must have the wisdom from thy boss. Mine to walk the corporate steps up to grandeur, and I will do exactly what mine boss asked of me and rid this Lowe's of those unsavories. But not scurrying like the rats upon a ship. Dost thou see? Dost thou see with thine eyes? I think.
What a lovely time we had at this Lowe's. I'll just be exiting the store.
Yes, now we shall carry on as customers.
We were
dear.
very satisfied.
Yes,
Yes,
satisfied. That's
Oh, good
lovely.
evening. Yes.
Yes, indeed.
It's nice to be with you here at Lowe's, but we did not find the accoutrements we wanted to find, so we are on our way. This is my friend Letitia.
Can this be Libby?
I'm Libby.
Yes, and it beest mine job to help thee find whatever thou wants.
And we did ask everyone throughout the store. We did search high and low, and there be nothing for us here. So good day. Thank you.
Good day, thank you so much. Very good, Letitia. Don't leave without me.
Please, if thou hast been 100% satisfied of the Lowe's experience, perhaps?
Yes, we shall write the review online. Good day.
Good day, lady. Bye.
Ronaldo! Ronaldo!
I don't know anyone upon
What
that
aisle
name.
are you in?
No.
Is that the wife you mentioned earlier?
Ooh,
Ronaldo!
Maybe she won't recognize him in this
I'm
disguise.
sure she will not recognize
That
me.
can't fool that! Ronaldo!
Oh, good madam, thou seems distressed. We are also distressed madams.
We are distressed madams, are we not? Yes. Oh, art thou also in distress in Lowe's?
No, my good man, I'm looking for my husband Ronaldo, who's supposed to fix the toilet.
My disguise.
Hast thou seen him?
Oh,
I think he's over there.
Well, you can help me then, till we find my husband. He's a pale-looking man, gaunt, a little sickly.
This could be my chance to get my escape home. But I am in a dilemma, for I do not want to go home. For this is what I have at home. Oh, I do not know what my dilemma be, for I am trapped here, but I was trapped there too. Oh, this is a dilemma I have not had before.
Hast thou not seen him? He's looking for a big O ring.
No, I have not seen him, my lady.
Well, then how dost want to unclog thy toilet?
Well, I have learned a thing or two in my time in Lowe's, and I can say that all one needs to do is possibly get a snake of some kind and stick it down the drain, and then get some kind of rotary thing, and then clog it, unclog it like such. If that does not work, jiggle the handle, put a little Drano in it. If Drano does not work for you, call a plumber. But if a plumber is not to be found, then thou should probably call a friend, because sometimes moral support be all thou needs.
What? Sir, you're going way too fast. Do you have a plunger?
Thou calls me sir, and I am clearly a lady, am I not?
Well, I suppose.
Perchance thou have the name of thy husband so close to thy tongue.
Ronaldo. All I wanted was a plunger from him. A nice big pole with a little suction thing at the bottom that just...
I have never seen the side of my wife before. She hath never showed me warmth or love before. But now I see a tenderness I have not seen. And maybe I shall
of wood in his hands like he can, and plunge and plunge and plunge. It's almost rhythmic. It's a plunge and plunge and plunge. Oh, you're just all excited. And then down goes the water. It's like a flushing kind of thing. Right out to the ocean. What a man he is.
Goodbye, wife. Dost thou recognize me? For it be me, your husband, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, but you were just a woman.
Yes, I was, but you have to adapt quickly, my wife. Things change like this. I have been trapped here for 15 years.
It's been a very long 15 years, and that toilet has been back up for 15 long years. It's not care at all.
My wife, keep thy voice down for the manager. If they hear that, we will not be able to leave.
Lovebirds in Milo's.
Yeah, I think I saw him go this away. They probably went that away.
Oh, that will never do.
Thou hast kept me here for too long, evil captain of this vessel that thou callest Lowe's.
What dost thou want? To leave or to stay?
I have changed my mind, and I do want to go home with my beautiful bride.
He is in the eye of the beholder, I guess.
How dare thee!
Oh,
What a badly bad note. Did that another
oh
plunge?
no. I'm wandering still, but have not fallen.
Ugly man and goodly wench, take out this manager with this wrench.
Oh, thank you. The gods have listen and given me a wrench as a weapon.
Oh. No, I don't want to die here. I will haunt this Lowe's.
I hope that thou hast enjoyed thy stay here at Lowe's. Have a nice day. Good manager, come, I'll tend to thee. I'll put you in a bath, you'll see.
Ronaldo, you were so badly. It was like watching me plunge that toilet the very first time. I'm a little breathy.
My wife, how have thou been all these years? What? You look as beautiful as the day I left, for thou hast not changed one bit.
It was very lonely without you.
I'm sure it was, and it was lonely without thee.
Well, there was Frank the milkman, and Horatio, the mailman, and he's a charming man. You should, lovely children he has. And then, of course, your cousin Herbert came over, and that was quite a weekend. And anyway, I missed you those 15 years. It was awful.
I suppose mine experience was similar, for I put together some things that resembled you in the aisles and sweetly cuddled them as I did go to sleep every night. I guess that'd be the same.
Yes, come to me, my love. Come to the warm bosom of your wife. Yes, oh God. What a little man. Come, let us leave this horrific place. They didn't even have a 2-for-1.
And so, over the Lowe's, there came a hush, as the wife and husband didst leave, with the toilet that flushed. They didst take